Administrators can use the packet capture tool to select a packet and view its header and payload information in real time. Once completed, packets can be filtered by various fields or through the search bar. The capture can be saved as a PCAP file that you can use with a third-party application, such as Wireshark, for further analysis. Packet capture criteria can be stored for the reinitiation of packet captures multiple times using the same parameters, such as interface, filters, and so on. Packet capture criteria can be created and stored in order to reinitiate packet captures in the GUI with the same parameters. Cannot select interface as any at the time of packet capture. Less than or equal to 10,000 packets can be captured in one packet capture filter. When creating the packet capture, the name field must be a unique name for the packet capture criteria being configured. Enabling include non-IP packets allows non-IP address packets to be captured when enabled. Supported non-IP address packet types include ARP, RARP, LLC, LLDP, VLAN, and LACP2. When the packet capture is complete, non-IP address packets will include header information. However, unsupported types will display as unknown. After configuring the packet capture criteria, you can choose to start capture, save settings for later, or close. Starting a packet capture or saving the configured settings will both store criteria for future use.